the movement control, or how to move your avatar. Two easy ways to move your avatar. Method 1. Using your keyboard. Method 2. Using mouse or mousepad with movement controls. Method 1. Using your keyboard. You only need a few keys to move. The arrow keys, page up and page down keys. Using the arrow keys, up arrow key to walk forward, left arrow key to turn left, right arrow key to turn right, down arrow key to walk backward. And the best thing? You can fly. Press page up to jump, or hold page up to fly up, page down to land or fly down. And here are all the keys again. Walk forward, turn left, turn right, walk backward, jump or fly up, land or fly down. Method 2. Movement controls. Go to the menu at the top left, click Avatar, click Move Controls. And this little control pops up. Sometimes the movement tool will open at the upper left. If it is too small, simply resize it by dragging the lower right corner of the tool. Drag here to resize. Click here to drag the tool window around. Now you can click the tool with your mouse and control your movement easily. Walk forward, turn left, turn right. Flight mode, fly up or fly down. Walk mode, walk sideways. Run. Let's take some notes. Please look in the video description below to download a PDF file with all information. Thank you for watching. Produced for virtuallearningvillage.org.